So here now, we about to do some little exploring around my yard there, and then we're going up for a little drive to see what we find. Just a little vlog to start off. Well, it's been a while since I do a trip, but I had to get in the bush somehow. So there we go. Yeah, as we start, we come down there by the stream here, and we see a water mapapee or brown banded water snake. These are generally, well, they're very defensive. They are very defensive when you first encounter them, but when they get accustomed, they would keep their cool. It's just to get right. These are one of the true aquatic snakes of Trinidad. And now interesting is some individuals have red bellies instead of yellow. But right now I'm moving very calm because I don't want to excite it too much, because they do bite. They get defensive very quickly. They have a mild venom and they are rare fang, but their venom can't harm people. It more caters to fish, amphibians, and reptiles. And they also feed on worms. They are truly beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Look at that. So yeah, I'll just let them go back where we see them. The good old faithful one. Seen them one too many times. So, hold on. Alright. Coffee snake. Found this mud turtle. Scorpion mud turtle. This right at the side of the water. Oh, look at it. Making his escape. So this stream here runs close to where I live. A little patch of forest. Little patch of forest. There's them taking pictures in this forest. Not a big forest, but it have a lot of wildlife. As you can see, the creatures we see so far. I'm just exploring it a bit and then going for a drive. Wish I had a UV light now. This is, hold on, a polka dot frog. This is the first time I've seen one here, so close to where I live. I don't recall seeing this here before, but this is amazing. Polka dot. On the UV light, these frogs will glow blue or purple. Well, a blue and purple color. I don't have a UV light at the moment, so this will have to be amazing. So we heading up there now. Run, take a wee little drive to see what we see on the road. Yep. Look at next water mapapee. This one looking like it have more stripe. Look at it. Nice. Right, so we're coming out to the bush here and look, home sweet home. The bush. Yep. Now we take a little drive. A Manikou. Oh god. No. Yeah. Give me that. You're running up the hill. Where you going? Which part? Oh. Oh yeah. A Manikou up there. I see them. Oh, I barely get anything. But there was a Manikou right around here. What you looking for though? Oh, a dead dog. Right, so the driving wasn't really a much success. So we are back home. Well, I back home. That's what I'm going to sleep right now. And it is night. Pitch black. All the lights out. The dark. Oh, hello. Hello. I am home. And it's pitch black. So that has been it. It's been a very short video. A wonderful short video. And as you know, I am the Wildlife Master. And until next time, blessings and bless out.